it was fine for me to stop by your place uninvited. What a big mistake. I felt so good, the job came through. I just couldn't wait. I knocked one time, two times, then I knocked once more. Can't believe my boss answered your door. Oh, I wish it would rain. Oh, I wish it would rain. I wish I could disappear. I wish I could disappear. Girl, I wish it would rain. Hide all my tears. Ooh, baby. He asked me what I was doing there. If I followed him home, I said no. I mean yes, sure I